Hi friends, this is Vetrivel. This tutorial I will teach while clicking row I need to get that particular row information, but that means row text into alert or anything. So now I will teach how to make that. Here I am using basic HTML editor. Here I am using Visual Studio as one type of HTML editor. You can type or anything in Notepad itself also. Okay, here I am using Visual Studio and jQuery and some jQuery concept. Okay, here just and CSS also I used here. Just I am hovering the mouse on the table rows. It will changing the table hovering color. So which row I am hovering my mouse. So once I click this mouse any of the row, I need to get the information in just one alert. See, so this entire row text I am showing in one alert box here. So see, one alert box. So I will teach how to make that kind of items, how to make that. I will teach everything in step by step. So before that I will teach everything. So okay, here only I written some codes. So first of all I need to clear all the codes and explain one by one, step by step. I will make one step by step here. Okay, just delete all those things here. Just I am deleting the things. So while creating the page, Visual Studio or any notepad, it will comes like just a single HTML or head tag and body tag and div only is these items only is there. Okay, here I will make one title row click. I am making title row click. So once hit the run button, so it will run that particular page here. Okay, now I will make the all kind of things here. It will run. Okay, meanwhile I will return some codes here. First I will create one table. So I already written all the queries. So this is just basic table queries. Just I am copy the table string, table text, and here inside a div I will paste that text. Just I paste that text and hit the save button. So here row click header is coming. Just I click reload once again. So every data I am getting here. This is the table. So I am getting table data. I am getting just basic table view source. You will get those all the details here, like just basic tables only I am created here. I will add some CSS element for this. So how to add that CSS element for this? Just go to your project. In head section you have to return here style. Just put the style. In that style I will call table row. So tr table row tr, and just put hover. So table row I am over here. So I need to change the background text. So background color I will put green and color white. I am setting white here. Just save and run the refresh again. So while I mouse over, it will changing the color. I will change the mouse also. Mouse like a pointer like a hand symbol. So how to set that hand symbol? Here and just cursor pointer. I am setting pointer here and refresh again. Now it's going like fine. Okay, now I will add the borders for that. So just I will add one more thing, table here, border 1px solid. You want any color, you have to specify that color also, like 00. So this is only black color. Just without by default it will comes black color only. Okay, just save the project and refresh here. See, one border is kept, but I need to show the border so like a border inside also row. For row also I need that. Just I will add here tr. This is tr over, this is tr. So tr, just I copy these things, same things I saved here, refresh. Oh, we have to do one more thing, because before you need to set the border in your rows. You need to set the borders in rows. Before you have to set border collapse, set collapse. So it will collapse the things. Now we will get the borders here, everything. Okay, see, everything here we get get those things. Now once I click this any items, I need to show the text into our alert box. So how to do that? Before that I will return some plugins here. So I have to import these plugins. Just I have to import script. So you have to any doubt how to import that plugin and code and all, just go to browser. He will check jQuery.com. Go to jQuery.com. In the jQuery.com you will click here, document download is there, download. Just click download, but here no need to download, just you have to download and add it in your project, or else you have to just copy these links. So this is the latest one, jQuery.com, code.jQuery.com and jQuery. This is the latest plugin we will get from this jQuery.com. So I will just add that plugin here. Just I am adding that plugin here. So I added. Now I will add this one more code, script.jQuery. I will explain this code. Here what I am written, document.ready. Document means while refreshing or loading this page, that time this function will execute. Here I am getting table.tablebody.row. That means this is table, this is header, but this is body. Okay, so it will comes table.body and table.row. So every row it will work. So in row clicks, in case clicks, this function will execute alert this dot text. This dot text means here you are clicking this row, that time it automatically fetch. This means that particular row dot text means in that row text it automatically copied. Okay, that is the query. Why we are using this jQuery plugin, this $sign and document.ready, that code and all return inside into this jQuery. So this $signs only supports you adding this plugin, or else won't it will support. Okay, now just I'm save this form, and again I will refresh here. Now successfully refreshed. You click anything, any text, anything inside, you will get that alert, which you are clicking the text box, it will alerting that text box here. Okay, so here I doesn't change any code, just I will refresh once again also, so it will refresh and click anything, you will get this alert. Okay guys, we will meet on next best tutorial. Bye, see you later.